The Santa Fe Sport's main change for 2018 is the addition of a $1,900 value package. It's available only with the entry-level 2.4-liter engine and groups together about a dozen popular equipment options. Those features include a power-operated driver's seat with lumbar support, auto-up for the front windows, power windows with an auto-down function are standard, LED daytime running lights, fog lights, and roof rails, among others. Hyundai is now offering a 3-year free trial of its BlueLink telematics systems in vehicles so equipped. And there's also new premium wood trim that comes standard in Santa Fe Sports fitted with the available leather interior. What was new for 2017, an exterior refresh brought new LED daytime running lights, a brushed metal look grille, and a revised rear end to the Santa Fe Sport. Inside, the updates revolved around available options: a 7.0-inch or 8.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a power-adjustable front passenger seat, engine stop, start, a bird's-eye view camera, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking are all extra costs. Trims and options we'd choose. Choosing the 240 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine over the base 2.4-liter non-turbo 4 is a no-brainer. It adds much appreciated pep to the step of the Santa Fe Sport. The $32,300 mid-level 2.0T trim includes 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated and power-adjustable front seats, sliding second-row seats, leather seats, steering wheel, and shift knob, all-wheel drive. An additional $1,550 adds all-weather mastery.